Number 1. A timeless classic that turns heads wherever it goes, the 1963 Buick Riviera Sports Coupe exudes elegance and sophistication. This iconic luxury car, designed by the legendary Bill Mitchell, was hailed as one of the most beautiful American vehicles ever crafted. With razor-sharp lines and continental styling cues, the Riviera remains a true automotive masterpiece. Offered at $19,500, this well-maintained Riviera has clocked 105,184 miles and is presented in a stunning yellow exterior with a white interior, embodying its era's charm. Under the hood, it boasts Buick's revered 401 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine, delivering an impressive 325 horsepower. For those seeking added performance, Buick originally offered an optional 445 Wildcat engine, featuring a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhausts. Equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle ensures a smooth driving experience. Additional features include power steering, power brakes, and an air conditioning system, enhancing comfort and convenience. A clean Texas blue title is in hand, confirming its excellent condition with no significant damage or issues. Whether enjoyed as is or restored to its original glory, this Riviera is a showstopper available for viewing in Dallas, Texas. A rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 2. A true American classic, the 1962 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 blends vintage style with reliable performance. This timeless beauty, offered at $13,000, features its original drivetrain, with a rebuilt engine, refreshed transmission, and rear end, ensuring it runs smoothly and performs admirably at car shows. With 125,783 miles driven, this well-preserved Dynamic 88 boasts a white exterior paired with a red interior, capturing the essence of its era. It has undergone only one repaint in its lifetime, while certain elements, like the inside of the trunk lid, still retain their original factory paint. This vehicle also comes with a booklet from its first owner, documenting its purchase on July 5, 1962. The car is in very good condition with a clean title, needing only minimal touches to be fully complete, such as some interior work, radio, speakers and trim, parts that are already included in the sale. Located in Murdoch, Illinois, this Dynamic 88 is a prime example of classic American craftsmanship, ready to be enjoyed by an enthusiast or collector. Number 3. A true symbol of American luxury, the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado exudes class and comfort, embodying an era of bold design and powerful performance. With just 60,132 miles on the odometer, this well-preserved classic is offered at $25,000 in Kansas City, Missouri. Dressed in a striking yellow exterior with a tan interior, this Eldorado maintains its timeless elegance. Powering this beauty is a massive 500 cubic inch V8 engine, ensuring a smooth and commanding ride. Recent upgrades include new tires, hydro booster and hoses, hub bearings, front shocks, and a transmission pan gasket, further enhancing reliability and performance. Adding to its originality, this Cadillac comes with factory-sealed hubcaps from 1976, preserving its authenticity. Whether cruising the streets or making an entrance at classic car shows, this Eldorado is a remarkable piece of automotive history that continues to captivate enthusiasts. A rare opportunity to own a legendary ride that represents the pinnacle of Cadillac craftsmanship. Number 4. A masterpiece of luxury and craftsmanship, the 1962 Buick Electra 225 stands as an elegant and commanding presence. Offered at $19,500, this meticulously restored classic has traveled 87,000 miles and remains in very good condition with a clean title. Dressed in an eye-catching black exterior with a black interior, this Electra has undergone an extensive $34,000 restoration, completed in 2018, ensuring its performance and style are preserved. With only 2 owners, the vehicle has spent its entire life in the Whittier, Los Angeles area, maintaining its heritage and authenticity. Powered by an automatic transmission, this Buick delivers a smooth ride, blending power with refinement. Now located in Leander, Texas, it is available for sale and open to reasonable trades, including German cars or cruising motorcycles. A rare opportunity to own a piece of history, this Electra 225 is perfect for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 5. A rare and stylish classic, the 1979 Ford Thunderbird Convertible 2D stands as a testament to luxury and craftsmanship. Offered at $30,000 in Houston, Texas, this exceptional vehicle has traveled just 12,000 miles, making it a remarkable find for collectors. Dressed in a sleek white exterior with a burgundy interior, this Thunderbird boasts a custom design by American Custom Coachworks, a renowned specialist in high-end vehicle modifications. In 1979, buyers of Thunderbird, Lincoln, and Cadillac models had the unique opportunity to send their cars to this Beverly Hills-based firm for specialized enhancements, ensuring superior quality and aesthetics. Powered by an automatic transmission, this classic features a lay-and-play hydraulic setup, elevating its performance and driving experience. With only 2 owners and a paid-off status, this well-preserved vehicle is available for sale or trade for other classic cars, making it an irresistible offering for enthusiasts seeking a rare gem from automotive history. Number 6. A stunning piece of American automotive history, the 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D is an exceptional classic that exudes timeless style and performance. Offered at $14,500, this single-owner vehicle has traveled 86,400 original miles and remains a well-preserved gem in Le Sueur, Minnesota. Dressed in an eye-catching turquoise exterior with a matching turquoise interior, this Thunderbird maintains its vintage charm. Powering this beauty is a new 390 motor, ensuring reliability and strong performance. The car also features new tires and a rebuilt transmission, making it ready for effortless cruising. Adding to its originality, the title has never been transferred, and it comes with its original paperwork and owner's manual, preserving its rich history. Whether admired at car shows or enjoyed on the open road, this Thunderbird stands as a classic icon, perfect for collectors and enthusiasts looking for an authentic, well-maintained example of Ford's legendary design. Number 7. A true classic with unmistakable mid-century style, the 1955 Buick Special remains a sought-after vintage ride. Offered at $6,500 in Lubbock, Texas, this timeless beauty runs and drives, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or enjoyment as is. With 1,234 miles on the odometer, this Buick features a gray exterior and retains its original chrome trim, preserving its authentic look. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 318 nail-head V8 engine, delivering strong performance while showcasing Buick's historic engineering. Recent upgrades include a new gas tank and driver floor pan, with additional pieces available to complete the restoration. This clean title vehicle has no significant damage or issues, making it a solid investment for classic car enthusiasts. The seller is open to trading for a later model Chevrolet pickup, providing flexibility for those looking to make a deal on this remarkable piece of automotive history. Number 8. A bold and stylish classic, the 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible 2D is an eye-catching ride that blends performance with distinctive design. Offered at $14,000, this one-owner vehicle has traveled 98,000 miles and comes with a clean title, ensuring its reliability. Dressed in a real candy red exterior with a peanut butter interior, this Cutlass boasts a fresh look and powerful upgrades. Under the hood, it features a new 350 turbo motor and transmission with a stall kit, delivering strong performance. Enhancing its presence, the car is equipped with 24-inch Rucci rims, a matching steering wheel, and new interior elements. Additional features include a digital dashboard and a high-quality sound system, making every ride enjoyable. Whether cruising through town or making an entrance at car shows, this Cutlass Supreme is a statement piece. Located in Florence, Alabama, this well-maintained classic is available for serious buyers looking for a unique and thrilling driving experience. Number 9. A stunning blend of classic elegance and modern upgrades, the 1963 Cadillac Series 62 is a true masterpiece of restoration. Offered at $43,999, this professionally rebuilt Cadillac is in like-new condition, ensuring both style and reliability. Powered by a rebuilt 390 engine and a 4-speed 200-4R transmission, this Cadillac delivers smooth and powerful performance. It features a full air ride suspension system by Chop and Block, including trailing arms and control arms, for a luxurious ride. Enhancing its modern appeal, the car is equipped with Dakota digital gauges, a classic audio Bluetooth radio, and a high-quality sound system with two 12-inch subwoofers in the trunk. Additional upgrades include LED taillights, a complete rewiring with an American Auto wire harness, and brand new Vogue red line tires on 100-spoke wheels. A front disc brake conversion further enhances safety and drivability, making this Cadillac not only visually stunning but also highly functional. Located in Buda, Texas, this well-loved and cared-for classic offers an exceptional driving experience. A perfect blend of vintage charm and modern convenience, this Cadillac is a rare find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 10. A striking example of mid-century American craftsmanship, the 1964 Pontiac Star Chief 4-door embodies elegance and performance. Offered at $8,000, this well-preserved classic has traveled 70,575 original miles and remains a testament to Pontiac's legacy. With a white exterior complemented by a tan interior, this Star Chief exudes vintage charm. Powered by a 389 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, it delivers a smooth and capable ride, perfect for cruising in style. The automatic transmission ensures effortless driving, making it a pleasure to take on the road. This Star Chief boasts a clean and well-maintained interior, a straight body, and has had only 2 owners. It is fully paid off, adding to its appeal as a hassle-free investment. Located in San Angelo, Texas, this classic Pontiac presents a rare opportunity to own a beautifully preserved piece of automotive history. Number 11. A stunning blend of luxury and performance, the 1969 Cadillac DeVille convertible is an iconic classic that captures the elegance of a bygone era. Offered at $29,999, this well-preserved beauty has traveled just 43,228 miles and comes with a clean title, ensuring reliability. Dressed in a striking yellow exterior with a green interior, this DeVille stands out with its timeless appeal. Under the hood, it features a powerful 472 CI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and effortless cruising. Equipped with rear-wheel drive and white-wall tires, this Cadillac offers a refined and comfortable ride. Luxury enhancements include a power convertible top, cold air conditioning, and power windows, making every journey a pleasure. Located in St. Louis, Missouri, this well-maintained DeVille is the perfect opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a true piece of American automotive history. Number 12. A beautifully preserved classic, the 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door is a rare find with just 33,196 original miles. Offered at $42,500 in Wildwood, Missouri, this stunning vehicle is in pristine condition, showcasing Chevrolet's iconic craftsmanship. Finished in a tan exterior with a beige interior, this Bel Air boasts an original numbers-matching 230 inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, delivering a smooth and authentic driving experience. Its laser-straight, rust-free body and glass-like paint reflect the meticulous care and maintenance it has received. Inside, the mint-condition interior offers a luxurious and classic atmosphere, while the engine bay looks like new, further emphasizing its well-preserved state. New 20-inch American racing wheels and new tires enhance its style and handling. With a clean title in hand, this Bel Air presents an incredible opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts. The seller is also open to trades for classic GM models, including 1955 to 57 Chevys, Camaros, Chevelles, Novas, or other GM classics. A truly exceptional classic car ready to be admired and enjoyed. Number 13. A true gem from the muscle car era, the 1965 Oldsmobile 98 exudes power and classic style. Offered at $9,999 in Houston, Texas, this rare find is an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a vintage powerhouse. Under the hood, this Oldsmobile features an Edelbrock Racing 455 engine, delivering impressive performance. While classified as used, fair condition, the vehicle runs and drives really well, ensuring a thrilling ride. The interior has been recently redone, adding to its appeal and comfort. This iconic muscle car from the 1960s offers a strong foundation for restoration or enjoyment as is. A rare chance to own a piece of American automotive history, available for a negotiable price, OBO. If you're looking for a bold and stylish classic, this Oldsmobile 98 is worth considering.